right, Tesla fam, let's break down what makes the Model X different from other Tesla vehicles. 1. Falcon wing doors. One of the most distinctive features of the Model X is its falcon wing doors. These innovative upward opening doors make it easier to access the second and third row seats, even in tight parking spaces. They also give the Model X a futuristic look that sets it apart from other SUVs. 2. Seating capacity. The Model X can comfortably seat up to 7 passengers, which is ideal for families or anyone needing extra space. This sets it apart from other Tesla models like the Model S and Model 3, which offer fewer seats. 3. Performance. Despite being a large SUV, the Model X delivers incredible performance. The Plaid version accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs on the market, all while maintaining an electric range of over 340 miles. 4. Advanced safety features. The Model X has received top safety ratings from agencies like the NHTSA. Its low center of gravity, due to the battery pack being located at the floor, helps prevent rollover accidents, making it one of the safest vehicles in its class. 5. Autopilot and full self-driving. The Model X comes with autopilot as standard, with options to upgrade to full self-driving. This includes features like automatic lane changes, navigate on autopilot, and Tesla's Auto Park. The Model X blends luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it a standout in Tesla's lineup and the electric vehicle market overall. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride